it is Crystal with Pineapple Papers, and I have a design team project for the scrap room. So this is the Carta Lemonade kit for the flavors of the month. So these are the 3 papers you get, plus this blueberry cardstock. And then you get a row of enamel dots. Mine are blue. And then 2 sticker sheets. So I got some like icons, and then I got some border strips. And these are the 2 papers for the pattern paper kit. And then for the embellishment kit, I'm thinking maybe I need to use that paper. For the embellishment kit, you get the whole 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So that is what you get for this. And I am diving into the cut file. So I cut it out on the blue cardstock, the blueberry cardstock. And I also cut it out in a white cardstock, thinking that maybe I would like swap it out. I wasn't sure how I would feel about the outline of the lemons being blue, but I actually preferred them blue over the white. And so I'm cutting down this piece of paper. I'm going to mat it on the blueberry cardstock that I cut my cut file out in. And then I did show you which papers I used. So the yellow is the Sunshine Floral. The green was Squeeze the Day Lemons, and the pink was Sweet Lemonade. And then, so I just backed the cut file, and then I took the white piece for the Polaroid. So that's just white cardstock from my stash. And then I'm going to take these border strips, and I'm going to give them, use them as like a shelf to kind of rest that Polaroid picture on. So this picture is of some limoncello. So at dinner one night in Boston, they messed up, and I think they I don't know, double or triple charged us. And they said if there was an issue with our credit card later, to come back. But they gave us some limoncello for kind of like, hey, really sorry. So I thought it would be fun to use this cut file. Now, this cut file is awesome because you actually get the Polaroid, but you also get the Sweet Summer Days. So you really are getting 2 cut files this month. This was not a summer picture. So I'm not using the title. I'm just using the Polaroid. And when I sized the cut file, I just made sure that the hole was going to fit like a 4x4 square, because I knew my picture was 4x6. So I knew it could be trimmed down to a 4x4. And then I'm just going to do some very minimal embellishing. I'm going to definitely add some florals, as well as a bunch of lemony type stuff, since we are drinking a limoncello. I was thinking maybe I would put a little lemon in for the center of these florals. I decided not to do that. And I will end up doing something else. But I am going to do a little cluster up here. This kind of floral banner. It says something about summer. Like I said, not a summer picture. So I'm just going to do the florals up there. And then I really like this piece right here. So this is like a lemonade, like, I don't know, dispenser. And I thought that was really cute. And so I'm really trying to find a way to kind of get that on this layout. I am going to snuggle it in down there at the bottom. I'm going to get a couple of like lemonade cups on here as well. I'm going to put a couple of word stickers on the bottom of the Polaroid. And I got this little picture in there. And then I push it all down, and of course they're all stickers. And then I'm going to find this banner that I'm going to put upside down. So now I'm going to peel these stickers up here. And then I'm going to find a tag. Oh, I'm going to put the bow up at the top too. And I'm going to use these tiny stickers that are florals, and I'm going to put those in the center of the flowers, because I didn't do them a separate color. I did think about doing the enamel dots, but they were blue and it was just getting lost. So I decided not to. So I'm going to trim off this edge here, and I think I'm done. And then I find a tag. And so I'm going to have to peel up that cluster on the left lower hand corner to stick this tag underneath. And it also says something about summer, but I'm going to tuck it down where you can't see that. And I will use one of the enamel dots from my kit to cover that tag hole. And then I did think about putting it on top of here, and then I changed my mind. So nope. I think that's it. Oh, another little lemonade cup. But that is going to do it for this layout. So I hope you enjoyed this. I do have a couple of close-ups for you. I love using cut files. It makes the layout come together so easily. And I will have links for the ScrapRoom down below so you can get your hands on these amazing kits. So if you have any questions, I love to chat with you. Otherwise, there is a final look at my layout, and remember to wear your crown. And we'll see you next time. Bye.